Are you interested in having software that lets you transcribe audio so you can use it as content for social media or your website? Meet Voicetapp, an advanced artificial intelligence speech-to-text transcriber that enables you to transcribe any voice or audio to text with an accuracy of up to 99% in a few simple steps. Voicetapp uses an Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform feature called Automated Speech Recognition. It translates recorded audio into more than 170 languages and accents from all over the world, and it also supports live transcription in 12 other languages. With this platform, you can potentially have an infinite number of use cases. This technology can be used in a lot of different ways, such as to turn podcasts and videos into text, to make subtitles, or to turn your meeting recordings into hard copy transcriptions. You can configure your transcription text to appear precisely as you want them to. In addition, Voicetapp is a cloud-based application that can be accessed through any browser. So, you don't have to install the software on any machine in order to use it. The operation is as follows. After you upload your audio recording to Voicetapp and choose the language to use, the file will be automatically and very accurately turned into text. Then, you can use the editor that Voicetapp gives you to quickly fix any mistakes and download your writing in different formats. How long it takes to finish the transcription will depend on how long the audio file is. The audio file is converted to text by Voicetapp 5 times faster than a typical person could do it. Here is how you can benefit from using this program. You can quickly and accurately turn speech into text in more than 170 languages and dialects. There is also a feature called speaker identification, which lets you tell who is speaking in the audio from 1 to 5 different people. Because the live transcription feature has been improved, you can now transcribe audio in real time in any of 12 languages. It also works with different file types and sizes, such as MP3, OGG, WAV, WebM, MP4, and FLAC. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Use the most recent speech recognition tool to get precise transcriptions for your audio and video. Try Voicetapp now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.